feel free to contact me, no problem, guys. I'm there for you to get you on top. 2022, we're going to destroy the markets, all right? Yo, what's going on traders? I hope you all had a wonderful time, profitable trading day. Today was amazing, guys. I want to talk about the trade that I took today that I've shared with the inner circle of our team. I'm really sorry if you have missed out on that one. You're probably not in the inner circle. That means you didn't bought the masterclass course, so you are not in our students group chat, which is all right. You just missed out on that one. It's alright, guys. But anyways, I'm going to show you today how I took the trade. I've recorded the whole session. It was a 6-hour trading session. I started in the London session and I was trading until mid of New York session. It was a nearly 7 hours of trading, and I was able to make around $194,000, which is around 3% on that account, and I'm pretty happy with the result. I was loading it up a couple of times, tried to squeeze a little bit more. I was really hoping for the big run, and yeah, as you can see right now here on the right side of my screen, this is the Inner Circle Discord group chat. We have like a group chat in here where everybody's sharing trades and helping each other, answering questions and stuff. Here's Sushanta, he's in the team for a long time. He's making a good amounts of money. Then we have a results channel where guys helping each other out. This guy finally doubled his demo account, so he thinks he's ready for the FTMO challenge. So yeah, I hope you can make it, buddy. So today we are going to talk about Euro US dollar. I took this entry in here from my phone while I was laying in my bed. As you can see on this screenshot, I was sharing this screenshot here from my phone. I was like, I'm looking to buy Euro US dollar again, because we had this beautiful push to the upside, but we are going to talk about that right now. Real quick, why I took the trade, guys. Well, as you can see, like it's the same thing like yesterday. We've talked about Euro US dollar yesterday already, and like we have this demand zone where price is pushing to higher highs. I really expect the market to slash through yesterday's high. This was my target, which didn't got hit, but yeah, on the way to the top we took a couple of profits, so it was pretty nice. Let's go to the 5-minute chart so you can see why I bought this one. Well, during Asia, as you can see, we had this little ranging conditions. Then we had the breakout of this range. A lot of buyers from yesterday and stuff, they got stopped out. Sellers got tricked into the market, and then we have hit this zone over here. After this consolidation compression zone, market made that liquidity grab, and then we had a strong reaction, as you can see yesterday. You see that? So this is the origin of that move. And when they bring price back into that origin, most of the time the price will show a reaction over there. I mean, you know that. So I saw that reaction as you can see over here. Now let's go to the 1-minute time frame so you understand what I'm talking about. So now we are on the 1-minute time frame, and you can see the structure in here. Lower high, lower low, right? Then the market twisted. We had this break of structure over here. You see that? We had this break of structure over here. So what does that mean? If the market gets back into this zone, the origin of that move, I mean, we slashed through the bottom, and this is on. This is the last push to the downside before we had that nice break of structure with a strong move. Beautiful, beautiful. Market came back into that zone. I was ready to buy, finger on the trigger, and then I was buying this thing. And I was aiming for yesterday's high, but of course I wanted to take some profits off the table. I was taking profits here, and there. So this is the reason why I took the trade. I'm going to get into the money management and the live recording in a second. Later on I took another loading it up position in here, which worked out pretty nice. So let's get straight into the recording, guys. So this is the recording, right? As you can see, I'm running positions on Euro US dollar. Well, I was on the phone, as you know. I was taking the trades from my phone, and then as soon as I got in front of my computer, I was starting the recording, and the market was already nice in profit. So as you can see, I had my stops. First of all, I had my stops just below the low. The stop was around 6 pips. I had 10 initial positions, so I was risking around 60,000, around 1%, a little bit less than that. So my maximum risk was 1% from scratch, okay, a little bit less. And then we had this nice reaction. So I took half of my position off the table just to make sure I'm not giving back too much if the market comes back, you know. And I was moving my stop below this push. So let's fast forward what was happening, guys. So market gave us a nice reaction, finally broke out. Boom, there is the breakout. And it's moving, guys. So I'm taking some more positions off the table. And now I have 1, 2, 3, just 4 positions left. I think I'm going to close another one. Yep. So now I just have 3 positions left. So I already have a nice profit in the market, and then I closed another profit, as you can see. So 80% is already off the table. Yesterday's high would have been like a pretty great target, which never got hit, unfortunately. Yeah, market was coming down after that nice push, and we already banked good amounts of money. As you can see, I've closed 8 positions. I think I was already up more than 2%, and I still had 2 runners in the market. And as you can see, guys, now look at that chart pattern in here. You see that we had this consolidation, push to the downside, then boom, strong move with imbalance, broke the structure on the 1 minute time frame. So when the market comes back into that zone, into that origin of that move, I'm willing to load it up. Let's see if we can make it. And there we are. You see that? Boom. And I have my 3 position to the market. Let's see what happens next. I gave this one a little bit more air to breathe, because yesterday, as you can remember, I got stopped out with half a pip. So sad, man. I could have made so much money on that move. So this time I was like, okay, let's give it a little bit more air to breathe. I still have this initial 2 positions into the market. So I was like, okay, I'm going to risk another 0.1 or 0.2% for my loading it up position. So if the market would hit my stop loss in here, all positions would be closed with a little loss of 10,000, but I already have my initial profits. Market is going up pretty slow. I don't like that. So when the market is moving so slow, sometimes I'm getting a little bit nervous, and yeah, I don't like it, guys, and I will show you why. The first 2 entries on that one was not really a pretty good entry, you know. So I decided to close these 2 trades, because when I saw this consolidation, I was like, okay, they are going to grab some liquidity below that one. Like, so many people have their stop sitting in here, and I was so sure about that they are going to stop them out, so I can get my entry within this zone in here. You know, this is where I wanted to get in, around this zone. So I closed these 2 trades and gave it another try when the market grabbed the liquidity, as you can see, boom. And then I was back on track with 3 loading it up positions, as you can see. And now my risk was even lower. So what we have now, I think we are going to get the big push. So I was able to take some more profits off the table. It came down again. We grab some more, and then we have the push. And I was already closing some. We missed out on that one. There we are. Now we have this push. Beautiful push, as you can see. Boom! And if you see something like that, guys, you need to take something off the table. So this is what I did. Boom, 20 grand. Are we going to get some more? Are we going to get some more? It's still cooking. Okay, let's take another one, 18,000. Beautiful. Are we going to get another one? Market is breaking out to new highs. Beautiful. Time to take some profits, of course. Still got 3 positions on the table. 90 grand on the clock. Do we get another push? Yeah, we get another one. So I closed some more over there. I still had these 2 positions in the market. And I mean, as you can see over here, guys, as you can see over here, that push down, the origin of that move, boom, 3-leg extension. This is where I want to get in again. This is where I always try to load up and try to get another good entry. Why not? We didn't got the final push. I mean, we have been in profits a little bit, but I was really expecting a huge push to the upside, guys. Really a huge push. And the market gave me a nice push. I was loaded up with 6 positions, guys. I had 6 positions in the market. Man, if this thing would have gone up, if this thing would have flown, man, it was crazy. But as you can see, it slows down. It was losing steam, so the market was coming down. It was pretty slow. As you can see, the candles, they were just like fucking around. And so I was like, okay, let's not give back too much to the market, because I already saw that the buying pressure is not that high. So I decided to step out of the game with my loading it up positions, just to make sure I'm not risking too much. I wanted to bank around 200 grand today, which I nearly did. So yeah, I was taking some risk off the table, because I saw that the market is not really moving strong, you know. I wanted to see a nice push, and we already broke structure twice, which is not a good sign. It is more a sign of that this thing will probably reverse now. We had strong push to the upside over the day. It was already a little bit later in New York session. So yeah, and as you can see at the price movement of the rest of the day, it was coming down slowly. So we took as much as we could out of the market. I could have closed some more positions. I mean, I could have closed everything on there, but I was trying to give the market the chance to fill my pocket with a big move, because if it moves to yesterday's high, I would have made another 100 grand. Why not? That would be cool, right? So you need to give the market the chance to do that. And if it would hit even another high, it would have been another $150,000 profit, you know. And with some more loaded up positions, you never know. It could have been maybe another 200,000 or 300,000, you know. So I like to give the market the chance to fill my pocket with a big move, as you all know. And if the market gives us another chance to re-enter the market, why not taking a trade? I mean, we're already in profit. That's a great thing. If you have a losing trade, you should cut your losses and leave. That's good. But if you have a running trade, then it's time to play with it. But without risking more. Like, your risk appetite should stay the same. Just because you have a running trade and you took profits, you don't need to open up your risk appetite and then start to risk maybe 3%. Don't go over 1%, and if you load it up, try to keep it at around break even, or just a little loss, you know, if you already took profits, just to make sure you leave the place with a profit without giving back too much. Otherwise you would be pretty sad. So this was the trade from today, worked out perfectly. And guys, I'm telling you again, if you want to learn how to trade right, if you are a complete beginner or if you're an advanced trader who needs some help, if you need a game plan, guys, the Genius Trading Masterclass course is actually on a huge discount, and it's running out in around 6 hours, 40 minutes, all right? In here, you will learn everything you need to become a consistently profitable trader. That means you get the entry strategies, exit strategies, money management concepts, trade management systems, different kind of trade for every trading style, different kind of trade management systems. And you have everything inside in here, strategies, all the basic knowledge, everything you need to make a career out of trading. If you're looking for something like that, a structured course plus a community with traders from all around the world who are helping each other and who are striving for the same goals, then you should get the Genius Trading Masterclass course and hop on and join our team, guys. The time is running out. Life is too short for later. Hop on the team. The price will go up tonight. So hurry up if you're serious about that. Thank you for your time, guys. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you need any help, make sure to drop me a message. You will find the link in the description below. Drop me a private message on Telegram if you want to chat, if you need some more information, if you need help. Feel free to contact me, no problem, guys. I'm there for you to get you on top. 2022, we're going to destroy the markets, all right? Let's get it, guys. Have a great day and a wonderful evening. And wish you all the best, guys. Peace out. Every now and then,